Welcome to this video on the PASH Simulator 2.0. This is a tool that allows you to see how changes in a country's population age mix can affect health expenditure and revenues, and explore different policy options for health financing. The simulator can be found on the Observatory's website and is freely available. Once you open the simulator, pick a country. After clicking on it, you see how the age mix of the population is expected to change between 2024 and the end of the century. Next, choose a health spending by age profile. Depending on the profile you choose, there are differences in terms of how much health spending increases per person at older ages. For now, we'll pick Profile A, which is based on actual health spending by age across the European Union. At the bottom left, we see the mix of taxes and social contributions used in the base year to finance healthcare in the country we've chosen. So here, around half of revenues are coming from social contributions linked to the labor market. To see how health spending by age and the population age mix varied by sex and change over time, you can click here. Then we go to the baseline results, which show us how health expenditures and revenues per person will change if the age mix of the population changes, but the approach to health financing stays the same forever. In red, we have the expenditure trend. In green, the revenue trend. The space in between is the financing gap. Then we can explore policy options. First, we adjust the taxes variable. If we're worried about the shrinking working age population, we can reduce the reliance on social contributions by 10 percentage points. And for now, assume that an extra 5 percentage points of health revenues will come from income taxes and taxes on goods and services. Next, we can change how taxes are levied by age. This figure at the top left shows how different taxes generate relatively different amounts at different ages. So for example, we can see that social contributions are mostly generated during working ages and then drop off dramatically around typical retirement ages. So one option we can explore is to slightly increase the age of retirement, shifting employment after age 45 slightly to the right, making working ages longer. We also can adjust expenditure and use patterns, making some assumptions that populations age healthier by shifting the shape of the health spending by age curve slightly to the right. Now we click Results and can see on the right how the simulation changed as a result of these hypothetical policy changes. We can also click to see detailed results to not only see how much we were able to reduce the financing gap, but also to see a summary of the policy interventions that we took. Lastly, the PASH simulator has links to policy briefs that are part of the Economics of Healthy and Active Aging series, which help to inform the decisions a user makes when using the simulator. Find these and more resources by browsing the Observatory's website.